Hello everyone, welcome back to the KMTRADERS channel. So we're looking at Cardano. So what we had previously analyzed was that we had this possibility of price pushing to the upside before making its way to the downside. That didn't happen. We can see prices just continue to push lower and lower, and that's completely fine because we're looking at, again, cryptos in specific cryptos in a bullish manner. So now that we're in a level that we've been looking at for a very long time, which is that $1 level, it's pretty much this level has been teasing us for a very long time, since May. I've been waiting for price to come to this point for a very long time. Well, only June, but May, June. So yeah, now that we're here, let's kind of discuss what the scenario is for our buying opportunity. So as we can see, price is, pretty much completely selling off. I'm using this downtrend here as a guidance tool, but really what I'm looking at is just waiting for price to, maybe push down just a little bit more. That's just me being a little bit greedy here, but I do like to get in at specific points or exact points. But again, I would look at, if you just want to just buy now, just in case you don't miss out. And obviously the FOMO on this is probably a bit big. Just get involved now because, eventually this will go up to the upside. So what could be like a good confluence for price, for your peace of mind if you start to see price going back up? Like, how do we know, is price going to now completely reverse to the upside and break the new high? So we have the structural level points that we can look at, and obviously they're quite high, but if we start to break these zones, pretty much they're going to be nice levels to target and expect price to start taking out before we eventually start to take into the $3 range. So yeah, pretty much we can use this downtrend as well. So if we start to break this, maybe you could look at taking a buy off this, and then if price does something like this, which could obviously happen, simply just readjust the trend line, and you can go in again, once it breaks. And it's most likely, the second time it can, once it breaks the second, trend line, most likely to go. Again, I'm just giving you some kind of ways that you could look for buying options. But yeah, with Cardano, in terms of price targets where we could expect price to go to, looking at a minimum of this high, so $3.10, and looking at around $3.50. So from here, I don't expect price to rally rapidly, but we don't need to predict when to cash out just yet. We first need to get to this point, which is obviously the major thing. So I'm just going to leave $3.50 up here. So roughly around here we can look at a nice target, but for now we can just wait on it. But yeah, so that's pretty much what I've got for now. I mean, we're technically still going to be bullish as long as we're above 7 cents, which is very far away. But we might have to, again, if you're looking to buy in this, I wouldn't cash out until we get to here, which is obviously a very big drop and a big weight, but that's essentially what I'll be looking out for. But yeah, really just wait on this one, because I think this one can give us a nice opportunity, at least a 3x on this minimum. So yeah, let's see what happens over in the next few days or so. If there are any updates that I need to bring in, I will obviously do that video, so just keep an eye out for that. And yeah, so if you did get any value from this video, make sure you leave a like. If you haven't done so already, make sure you're subscribed, and thank you very much for your time, and we'll see you all in our next week's video.